Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video I would like to discuss about can you actually do part-time job while doing 1 year's masters, because there is a lot of things to be covered in just 1 year. So yeah, that's what I will be discussing in this video, and I will be discussing these videos because I have seen some of my friends doing part-time job and some of them not doing part-time job, and then there are people from various different backgrounds. So I'll consider everything and then I will discuss about all the cases in this video. So yeah, that's what I'll be discussing in this video. But again, before moving further, if you are new here or if you want to subscribe to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. So with that being said, let's start our discussion. So yes, it is totally possible. So if I have to answer in like very short or just one word, yes, it is possible to do part-time job while doing your 1 year masters. But then again, you have to manage your time really very well. There are few people in my class, they are doing part-time job, and some are from technical background, or they had few or maybe little bit more knowledge about data science already. So for them, I think it's not that tough. But there are few people who are like from very different backgrounds. So there are people who are from statistics background, let's take for example. So they did their bachelor's in statistics, so they had zero knowledge of programming, and when they joined this course they learned programming in the beginning, and still at that time they were doing part-time job. So yes, it is definitely possible, but is it suggested to take part-time job as soon as you come here? I think no. If I talk about myself, I haven't done any part-time job after coming here because of several reasons. So for the first reason is, even though I had previous knowledge about data science and programming, I wanted to invest my time in YouTube so that I can make videos for you guys, so that I can help you in providing information. So if I had taken part-time job, then probably I had to give more time to my job as well as to my course. So I didn't want to compromise on my course and as well as the information that I am providing. So that was the reason I didn't take part-time job. But now that after second semester, most of my projects will be done and I'll be moving on to my dissertation project. So now I have looked for internship and now I have got internship. So I'll be working on my project as well as I'll be doing the internship. So that's what I'll be doing, and that's what I had planned, and this was my reason to not take part-time job. But then there are people who have been working in various things. So some people are working in restaurants, some people are working within the university for different things like organizing events or just taking care of the cafes and all those things. So within the university also you have a lot of jobs. So yes, people are doing those kind of jobs as well, and they're actually managing their time fairly well, and their grades are also fine. So if you are someone who can uh, manage your time well, and if you are someone who can pick things really quickly, so I think for you it's possible to take part-time job. But if you ask me and you ask my suggestion, what I would suggest you is, at least for first semester, try to get used to, because education system is very different here in India. You can take exams by just studying one night before, and you will be fine. But then here you have to actually do coursework, and then there are projects which cannot be done in just one day, and on top of that you have to make report as well, which is very important aspect, where I have lost most of my marks because I was not used to writing reports. But then now I'm getting used to and I'm getting fine marks. So yeah, that's what you need to keep in mind, because you cannot do assignments and get marks in just one day or one night study. So you need to distribute your time in a very efficient way between your work and your projects. So your study should not be compromised, because that's what you are coming here for. So yeah, in short, the answer is yes, you obviously can do, but I would suggest you to just wait and study your first semester properly, and in second semester you can, once you will get used to, you can look for part-time jobs, and it is totally possible. But then you again have to compromise on some of the enjoyment that you want to do. So there is always trade-off, right? If you want to earn money and if you want to learn, you get degree and you want to get good marks, you will have to compromise a bit on your enjoyment part. But then if you cannot compromise on enjoyment part, then you will have to compromise on other things as well. So yeah, there will always be trade-off. So this is what I had to discuss in this video. You can do it, but then you will have to manage your time very well. So yeah, this is it for this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And if you want to download data science notes, link is in the description. You can download data science notes. And I've created a new Telegram group. Again, the link will be in the description. You can join that. The previous one is closed. We got like some copyright issue or something. So I tried reaching out to Telegram, but I got no response. So sadly, I had to just abandon that group and I had to create a new one. So yeah, we are making another community from the scratch. So many people have already joined, so you can also join and probably you can ask your questions there. It's a very helpful community. And so yeah, this is it. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, all those good things. So yeah, see you in the next video. Happy learning.